Headed off to the beach with the whole family.
River.
I mean the river.
On this part. This was the first thing that he built. This little like place here. And now he built a house and my aunt lived here all by herself.
Oh wow.
She loves it here.
That's nice. So is this where we're stopping and then we're like right next to the river? Or?
Yeah. I mean we have to drive a little bit more up.
So we have to drive that way.
We're just saying hi to my aunt.
Okay. What's that?
Repelente.
Oh.
This is like my favorite fruit ever. We used to eat like buckets and buckets and buckets of this thing. And I saw in the States they were like $5 each. Oh my goodness.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteens.
Mangosteen. Mangostines.
Queen of the fruits.
So big.
Yep. I used to grab it by the leaf and put it back in. Like help them out.
A lot of cool fruits everywhere. This one. This is an orange. They call this the bicolor orange. Bicolor. Looks like a little watermelon to me. This is like Hass avocados.
And these are the big ones, the ones that
Oh, then these are the regular ones out here. Just a quick stop. Say hi to the auntie. We're not far from the river, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, finally here. Took maybe like 45 minutes or something. You hear the river, babe.
I do.
You hear the river?
Kenny, I wanted to take you to the waterfall, but it's like an hour hike up.
I'm not a big hiker. So this is the part where we start walking on the rocks and it's pretty slippery. So now we have to walk over rocks, through the stream, and me with my baby feet, wishing I had water shoes. Lots of rocks. Check out this treacherous path. Maybe after this my feet will level up in experience. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put my shoes on. These were $12. Okay. All right. Carlotta, she gave me her flip-flops. Much better. Now it's time to bust out the GoPro. That was fun. The water was pretty cold, but once you get used to it, it's not too bad. We're on our way to another place now. Where are we going, babe? Huh? Vamos a comer. We're gonna go eat. What place? Okay, so we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go somewhere else. I got my shoes on now so that my feet feel better. But they're not the best rock crossing shoes. Oh, that's dangerous.
Yeah.
Turned into one of those nature shows. You gotta be careful of those. Nope, next time I come back here, I'm bringing shoes. I'll put my shoes back on. You see, and I was just watching that show, Naked and Afraid. Thinking about if I was on that show, the first thing I would make is shoes. Going up these little weird steps. Look at this. Probably another time I should just be focusing on the task at hand. But I'm doing it for the views. Back at the aunt's house for a nice family lunch. Allergies starting to act up again. Would be nice to have some medicine. I'll have to deal with it. All of these fruits came from here. This one is arasa.
Biriba.
Biriba? I'm a biriba.
Chiramelo.
Chiramelo? Starfruit. Oh, I know this one.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Cacao.
Oh, yeah?
Cacao.
So the seeds are just inside of this thing.
The seeds are inside.
But the rest of it you can eat too, yeah?
No.
No.
Chapa.
Chata. What is that, like banana?
Plantain, yeah.
Oh,
kind
okay.
of banana.
Yo pensé que era plátano que se estaba echando.
An avocado. Mm-hmm. Chachayu. This one like lychee?
No.
No. This is what cacao looks like on the inside. And it's like corn in the way that it grows on this thing. Boop. And you can eat it, but you really just lick the outside, like the jelly stuff that's on the outside. You're not supposed to, because if you do, it's gonna be really bitter.
You make chocolate out of that.
The thing inside, this is
Bite it.
chocolate. I
Just
don't
for
want.
purposes, salad purposes.
That's what it looks like inside. It kind of looks like ube or a bean. Well, I mean it is a bean, but I don't get enough views to fully bite into one of these things. There you go. That's a cacao bean.
I don't know, chocolate? I just know chocolate comes out of this.
Chocolate comes out of that thing. Cuco azul.
Amazonas. And it smells, you can tell that it's good when it smells. It smells good. Like little like apple juice.
Indian cilantro. Lunch, delicious. Pork, rice, mashed potatoes, chimichurri. I still have water in my ears. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff for lunch. Tried some fruit. Good fruit, fresh. They grow it all here. It's pretty insane. Like 60 different varieties of plants they said they have over here. How do you know it's a coke plant?
My uncle said. Yeah, and he's agricultural engineer.
So you make it for a whole bunch of things, but obviously.
Yeah, but local people from Chile and the people who work in minería, they used to just
By
eat
itself.
it, buy it because that gives them some a little bit of energy to keep working hard.
Peru, why? Because of the
Chile,
altitude.
Peru, all these countries, right?
Right. So this is vanilla. What's it supposed to look like? That little pod comes
Yeah,
out.
the pod. Over there you can see it. The pods are dry.
Oh, so this is. what
These
it
are the
looks
dry
like.
pods, see?
I see.
They're opened. You have to take them,
Take
get
them
them
out.
before they dries. It doesn't have any seeds anymore.
So this is where the cacao grows. Oh, there it is.
There's two on side by side, a green one and one that's ripe and one that's green.
Right.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
This is nutmeg.
This is nutmeg.
Oh yeah, but it's small. ¿Cuánto tiene esto?
Tiene como 7 años más.
This has about. This is
7-year-old. Freaking out about walking in this stuff. I've seen some things like crawl in and out.
You have shoes, I have.
Yeah, I know. Well, you grew up here. I didn't.
Yours sharp too.
They know fresh meat when they see it. So this is the coffee bean fruit or something. Apparently it's fine just to eat as it is. Alex told me you have to like peel it back. So you can get inside like that. And then you're supposed to suck on it has 2 little seeds in there. But you're not supposed to eat them, I guess. It's got like a warm, sweet flavor to them. ¿Qué tienes? Un aguacate. I kind of want to bite them. And this is where her uncle is going to start making the tilapia farms. Start farming some fish. But right now, he doesn't have the right supplies. See this here, the tall grass? This is where all the wild Pokemon lie. And I'm wearing shorts. I don't want to go in there. It freaks me out walking through these things. So this is the water he's pumping into this thing?
Yeah. He's gonna make the pools here.
How big are the pools gonna be?
9 meters in diameter.
Okay.
This water comes from the mountain.
La represa estaba ahí.
So yeah, the plan, he's gonna build a 9-meter wide pond out here to farm tilapia. Nice. What's he gonna do with the rest of it?
Empezar con 6.
They're gonna make 6 pools first.
Oh, wow. Okay. How many fish per pool?
Ah, más o menos un promedio 5,000 pesos. 5,000 a
Oh, wow.
6,000 pesos por piscina.
Okay.
5 to 6,000 fish per pool.
And here I am coming from a state where there's a drought. Should live closer to the mountain. We're off. We're in the back of the truck now, but we're off to see this resort that Alex works at on this dirt road that leads to the resort, but it's not nearly as bumpy as the other road was. So we got to see a little lake thingy. That was really nice. Hopefully next time we get to swim over there. Another place I can take the boys when they finally decide to come down to Honduras. We're still on our way down to the resort. It's a little ways away. So apparently this is one of the projects that Alex is working on. I'm about to find out a little bit more about it.
Sí. Hola. Siempre.
Él es el novio de mi hermana, de Filipina.
Damn, this place is nice. What is D&D? Yep, that's water. Is this the poisonous one?
100 pies.
Es peligroso?
No,
What's that, babe? It's a bee. She saved the bee. Just put it on the ground.
don't bite me.
There you go. Saved you. You got saved. So apparently for a couple, it is 90 bucks to stay in one of these villas. And then for 4 people, it's about 120. So that's not bad if everybody's splitting it. My boys, if you're watching this, you know what's up. You know what's up. Lots of fun. Time to go home.